Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and yummy banana cupcake or banana muffins. Let's get started. Here I have my 4 well-ripe banana, which I even kept to get overripe somehow. I'll peel and transfer the bananas into my mixing bowl. Add about 1/3 cup of sugar and mash until well mashed. You can also blend it if you want. After mashing the banana with the sugar, I'll then add some eggs. I'm using 3 eggs. I'll whisk it. And next I'll add some vegetable oil. You can also use melted butter. I'll also add vanilla essence. Use any flavor of your choice. I'll whisk again and mix everything together before adding my dry ingredients. After whisking this for about 3 to 5 minutes, it is now time to add our dry ingredients. So I'll be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll add baking powder and baking soda. I'll also add salt and powdered milk. Check the description box for all the ingredients. Next, I'll mix everything gradually. I'm adding in some roasted peanuts, but this is optional. You can also add chocolate if you have that, or any nuts of your choice. Next, I'll transfer the batter into my muffin pans. I want to place this banana on top of them. Next, I'll bake for about 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And here we have our banana cupcakes. This was so delicious. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.